Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are rating shit Modland mods. So, BeamNG.drive. Oh my god, fucking ads again. That's cool. Updated 17 minutes ago. 240SX, nice. Isn't this the one that Slap Trainer did a video on? Have a look. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. Maybe somebody like ripped it off. Yeah. But look, that's just a rip-off of it. I'm not sure though. Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL. This looks sick. So first up, we're gonna do this one. Quality. It looks okay to me. Looks decent-ish quality. Good model. Well-developed engine and engine compartment. Okay, we'll be there to test it. Well-designed interior. PBR textures. Your Jbeam. Good damage, animated instruments, automatic transmission selector, working lighting equipment, working mirrors, openable mod, free configurations. Okay, let's get a virus. And once again, we're going to be going through the stages of Jbeam test, quality check, speed test, crash test, and drift test if it's rear-wheel drive. Which I believe this Mercedes is a rear-wheel drive, so we should be able to test it. We're going to do the Jbeam test, which it said your Jbeam, so I'm a bit concerned that yeah, I'm very concerned that it doesn't actually have a Jbeam. Okay, it actually looks pretty fucking decent. Let's see what it sounds like. It looks pretty decent. Let's see what the interior looks like. What's going on with these? Is this the design of them? I don't know. Does the steering wheel work? Yes. Oh my god, it actually goes into drive. Okay, it's a bit dodgy. But what we're going to do is put it into BeamNG. Let's do the Jbeam test quickly. Control B. Okay, Control M. Okay. It doesn't look that bad once again. Okay, right, let's go do a top speed test. I don't think this is going to be very quick. Okay, I don't even think we're going to hit like 110 miles an hour. Okay, we hit 100. 102. 103, 104. 105, 106. Oh my god, we're going to hit 110. Please? 110, oh my god. No, well, I'm 15, yeah. 116 maybe? 116? Oh god, it's so dodgy. Look at it go though. Oh, we're gonna crash it. Oh, dinosaur. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, what did we hit? Did we hit that? It's there though. So it must have hit... What the f... Oh, it's a fender. It must have hit this curb. It didn't like that curb. Let's see what the hood looks like. The bonnet. Nice. See what the engine looks like. It'd be nice to have like a badge or something on it, but it's okay. Just reverse into the wall. I didn't mean to actually do that. It looks pretty decent. Crashing, not bad, not bad. So 50 miles an hour. Crash. Okay. Isn't that bad? It's a bit janky at the front with that headlight thing. That is not that bad. Oh, it's quite bad on the inside. It still drives and it looks pretty decent, I guess. It looks a bit like it's crumpled a little bit. And the last test is the jump. And then, as it's rear-wheel drive, we will attempt to drift here. I doubt it's really gonna drift very well because it's literally slow as fuck. Let's just flip it into it. Okay. Now we get to have a look at the underside as well. It doesn't look that bad. Where's the exhaust pipe? Is it just... It's a wireless exhaust pipe. Okay, let's try and send it up here. It does a nice burnout. Try and send it again. It just spins out. Okay, kind of drifts a little bit. I'm drifting on keyboard. Okay, that's shit. Drifting on keyboard because my wheel is playing up. So we're gonna get that fixed in the next video. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this rating shit Modland videos, mods. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. This mod was okay, but it was shit.